Concepts. RD Concepts worked with a conservationist to allow him to be able to track his surveying information. He can now track his landowners, properties, tree stands, tree plots, and trees that he does, and also he can produce reports. We also allow you to administer the system yourself. As you can see, we allow practices, prisms, slopes, species, states and territories, classes on there. Some of these we do not allow you to update, as an example of states and territories, because that's pretty stagnant. But others we give you full capabilities, as in tree classes, and you can tell. You can adjust the deduction percentage as you need it for both timber and non-timber. Unit of measure, we give you 7, including a user-defined one that you can choose and modify if you want to create volumes specific for a certain area, or the other ones would do the calculations for you on the volumes. Export will export out all your information to an XML file to be used by non-ForeStats systems, and synchronize will synchronize between two existing ForeStats systems if needed. That way, if you have two surveyors using ForeStats, they can synchronize with each other and hold each other's information. As we can tell on landowners, we have name, address, city, phone, email, state, and zip. State, of course, comes off of the state and territories screen. We'll just select test and see all the information. On the next and previous will walk you through the system. As you can tell, we have a test system. We have 3 properties associated. If we take this one, we can see it's a timber property, or it's not a timber property. The Indiana is a timber property, but it's easy to select which one. We'll just select the Illinois. And as you can tell, we have 2 stands out here, testing and another test. We'll go over to plots, and we have 2 plots for this gentleman. So you can tell the plot, we can put different notes up here as we need it. And it shows what the plots are. You can jump in between, and if we want to go to next, we can see what the tree screen is for that. We can also, if we want to, go to next plot, previous plot, or we can add a new plot on this point. On reports, we have multiple reports that can be generated. We have different reports for both timber and non-timber. For this instance, as you can tell, the canned reports that come with this, and also we can generate new reports, and you can put them on your system as needed. We'll just select a property report, retrieve the report, and as you can tell, there's the information for a property. Shows your basal area on a property report. Will show your basal area, your volume, number of trees, your average diameters, the percentage of the number of trees to the total number. You can tell it's broken down by stand, and then by property it brings everything together for your acreage for the property. And that is ForeStats. If you choose to buy ForeStats, this will be a 60-day trial that you get, and you download the software, and you can once you choose to buy it, you go out to the website and buy a license for it, and then you can take your local information that you see here, and you can put that on the website, and it will generate a license key for you that you can plug in here and press check key and have a full functioning system. RD Concepts appreciates your wanting to look at our ForeStats system, and we appreciate it. Thank you for your time.